What's your impression of the bridge?
Oh, to be honest, I'm feeling better now.
I'm impressed as well.
Yeah.
It's good.
Comparatively Chinese shipyard, I'm feeling a little better.
Yeah. I sailed in one Chinese ship before. It was not as good as this.
Actually, this is not a Chinese ship because we have flag is Liberian.
But Chinese made, I mean.
Chinese.
Chinese made, Chinese made, Chinese design, you know.
But I'm liking it. Less people here, and Agnes is looking good, man.
Modernized everything. Our toilet is big. I can see the world from here. Okay, so now we're headed back to the office so we can have our lunch. It's gonna be another 15-minute walk going back there, and another 15-minute walk coming back here. I'm for sure going to meet my 10,000 step requirement daily. Headed out for our lunch. So, lunch kami outside sa yard. Mas malayo pa ata to. Oh, sasakyan na ligid. Hello. Sino? Kag. Ay, nandun. Wait, dito, Zek. Where is the second one? Tapos na ang first day namin dito sa barko. Kapaligpit na ng mga store, napag-inventory na ibang gamit. First day done, first day completed. We'll see tomorrow. More things to be done. Mga paperwork, surveys and all. That's next. Bye. First day.
First day of school.
First day of school, tapos na. Tapos na first day of school.